Good afternoon from MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. Today we are going to be taking a look at the 2021 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk boat. This boat is really pretty light blue color with a black boot stripe and a black rubber rub rail. You'll also notice that this boat is outfitted with a black Mercury 4-stroke engine. Let's take a look on board. Now we are inside the Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. We're going to start at the stern of the boat. You'll notice here that there are 4 rod holders. There is buckets. There is a live well for all the bait for your fishing needs. As we pan forward to the bow of the boat, you'll notice at the helm there is a seat. This seat can articulate back and forth, facing forward while you're driving the boat and facing backwards while you are fishing. This boat is also equipped with Raymarine. You'll notice that there's a bimini top. The bimini top is down right now, but this is perfect for keeping shade in the hot Florida sun. Up on the front of the bow, there's a large sun pad, perfect for laying out or extra guests you may have on the boat. Here's the helm one more time. There are, again, lots more fishing rod holders. There's a seat underneath here with a cooler. Great for storing ice. This boat is a fantastic boat, whether you use it as a tender or as a fishing boat or just going island hopping. For more information on this boat or any others, please call us at 239-481-8200. Thank you and have a great day.